Hi. So the question number 9, 29th one. Direct deployment is, we were discussing, direct deployment has the high risk. Yes, it can, there can be failure. It may be suitable for some uh, projects, not for all. Okay, so direct deployment is most expensive. No, that is the cheapest one. Double work is not there. Lower, offer lowest learning. Yes, lowest learning, no training period. Directly going to use this one correct, but the first part is wrong. Parallel deployment is the least expensive. Parallel, no, that is most expensive. Double work. Phase deployment does not provide the freedom for the relevant organization to make, no, it's providing the freedom. Not Nisa Varad. Okay. Pilot deployment, always roll out the new system to the test user group larger than 50%. No, we can't tell like that. 50% the users. Pilot mean, we discussed we are using one. Just look at the pilot deployment diagram. Small group, not the 50%. Okay, so all system is going to use that new system is going to test by the small group, not the 50%. 50% mean half of the users. The podicum kattiyatama, especially the expertise, are going to test it. Software එකක් IT දන්න කට්ටියට ඉස්සරදී test කරලා බලලා තමයි ගන්න යන්නේ company. Okay, so not the 50%, less than 50, around 20% වගේ නා, then okay. So answer should be the first one. 10th one, that is 30th. Business process re-engineering helps to modify the existing business practices to fit with the commercial of the chef. Business process, I think I didn't do. That is the things what we are going to do today. Therefore, I'll give all extra 1 marks for everyone. Okay? But we'll discuss this one. අද කරන්න තියෙන පාඩමේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි? ඒ නිසා එකට extra 1 එකක් එනවා. මේ addition 1 එකක් දාන්න, but I will explain that. Business process mean we are going to identify which kind of process are included in the system. Business process re-engineering helps to modify the existing process, existing business practice to fit with the commercial off-the-shelf cost software. Yes. I took the example cost software as a purchasing Microsoft Team or Zoom for this entire school. Right? Team එක ගන්නව නම් school එකටම ගලපෙන්න හදා ගන්න ඕන. A-level section එකේ double periods, that means you will spend around 2 hours with the teacher, one subject. But the O-level section, 45 minutes for particular subject. Okay, around 9 subjects are there. So according to the requirement, we have to adjust it. Another example, if we purchase the office package, අපිට අවශ්‍යතාවය වෙනවා අපිට හදා ගන්න ඕනේ commercial official කියලා කියන්නේ. The business, we have to identify the business process. And according to that, we have to modify. Therefore, A is correct. User may have to pay for certain features of the cost, even though those are not in use. So if we are not going to use it even, I took the example my mail merge or some project software. Project software comes with the Microsoft Office. Right? Samahara features පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැහැ. We have to pay for it. Okay, so already there with the software product. Now just think, if I purchase the Adobe package, use but it is manufactured for everyone. Settings, but we have to pay for that even. See, a well-developed custom software can bring a competitive advantage to the organization. Yes, that means normally custom softwares කියන්නේ ඔක්කොටම පොදුවේ හදන්නේ. world standard එකට තියාගන්න. office packages හැමෝටම පොදුවේ හදන නිසා හොඳ standard එකට හදන්න. හරි? Answer is fifth one. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට bonus one හම්බෙනවා. ඒ හම්බෙන්නේ ඒ explain කරලා නැති නිසා. අනිත් ටික හරි. ඒ නිසායි ඒකේ business process කියන එක මම explain කරේ නෑ. ඒක අද explain කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. අනිත් ටික වානේ BC හරිනම් හරිද හරිනම් bonus එක දෙන්න. BC තියනවද? හරිනම්. BC only where ඒක හරි. හරි. Okay, which of the following statement regarding 22 මේ කරාද? අවුරුදු මාරුලාද? ඒක තමයි මම බැලුවේ. Oh, that is 2020. හරි, it should be 2020. චුට්ටක් හදාගන්න. Which of the following statement is regarding the testing of the system are correct? Black box testing involves the detailed checking of each line in the code. Black box testing each line code check another. Praveen, true or false? Okay, so which one is going to check? The white box only. So B, A is wrong. Then unit testing helps to recover errors in the codes. Unit testing helps to recover errors in the code. What do you think? True. It is we are checking. That means that's a white box testing. Unit testing means the individual code we are going to check. Okay. And therefore, yes, this is correct. System testing should not be performed peer to unit testing. What should be done in the first? Unit testing. First, we have to gather small programming units, small program parts. Example, I took the additions in the calculator. So we first check the addition program, whether it is working, then subtraction, division, unit by unit. Then we collect all together as a system. We do the system testing. Then system testing should not perform peer to the unit testing. We can't do it before the unit testing. That's true. So answer is fifth one. Hold on. Which of the following indicate functional requirements? What are the functional requirements? What are the things which system gives us as output? Okay, that is 23. The user should be allowed to update their contact details and phone numbers, contact address and phone numbers. That is a functional requirement of a phone. Any user request must be present within 2 minutes, 2 milliseconds. Limitation millisecond mean. That is non-functional requirement. Just write the limitation. Okay, that means non-functional. System must be easy to change. That cannot be functional requirement. Easy to change. The first one is the answer. 23rd. Yes. A only. Then which of the following statement on data flow diagram DFD is incorrect? Context diagram is a DFD diagram. Just imagine just remember what is the DFD? What are the types? level 0 DFD, level 1 DFD, level 2 DFD, level 3 elementary process. Hari? 25th. Context diagram is a DFD with highest level of abstraction. Make a hurry. Elementary process mean if you are going to build a robot, හරි robot එක finger එකක් movement එකක් ගන්න. So that particular smallest process we can't further decompose it. පුංචිම අවස්ථාව. තවදුරටත් බෙදන්න බැරි පොඩිම තැන. හරි we can't further decompose it. The smallest process is the elementary process. So entire robot we can take the system. That is context diagram. That means level 0 DFT. So how can you quickly move to the entire system? Step by step, you have to build the product. Then only you can come to the entire system, context that. Context, entire project. හරි දර ඔයා පුංචි මේකෙන් තමයි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් කැල්කියුලේටර් එක හිතන්න කැල්කියුලේටර් එකේ ඇඩිෂන්ස් ටික කරලා ඇඩිෂන් එකට කෝඩ් එක හදනවා හදලා ඉවර කරාට පස්සේ සබ්ස්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් එකට කෝඩ් එක හදනවා ඇඩිෂන් සබ්ස්ට්‍රැක්ෂන් චෙක් කරලා බලනවා හරි ඊට පස්සේ ඩිවිෂන් එකට හදනවා ඔය ස්ටෙප් බයි ස්ටෙප් හැදුවට පස්සේ සම්පූර්ණ කැල්කියුලේටර් එකම අපි චෙක් කරලා බලනවා ඇප් එකක් දාලා හරි එකපාරට ඔයාට ඇඩිෂන් එකේ පුංචි කෝඩ් ගහලකින් මුළු ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එකට යන්න බෑ හරි ඒතර අපි පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ එලිමෙන්ටරි එකෙන් පස්සේ තමයි යන්නේ හයිවේ එක හදද්දී එක එක ලෑන්ඩ් වල පොඩි පොඩි පස් අයින් කර කරනේ හැදුවේ එක පාට එක තැනක හදපුවම කෙලින්ම වාට යන්න බෑ හයිවේ එකේ හදලා කම්ප්ලීට් කරාට පස්සේ ටෙස්ටිං පාස් වුණාට පස්සේ අපි ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එක යූස් කරන්න යන්නේ හරි එහෙම ගන්න එපා බ්‍රාන්චස් කතාව දැම්මොත් පැටලෙනවා හරි හැම වෙලේම මොකක් හරි ලොකු බිල්ඩින් එකක් හිටන් ගෙදර අතිවාරම දාලා ඉවර වෙලා ඊළඟ කොටස් දැම්මට පස්සේ තමයි ස්ටෙප් බයි ස්ටෙප් මුළු ගේම් හැදුනේ මැද මුකුත් නැතුව එකපාරට ගේ හදන්න බෑ නෑ ස්ටෙප්ස් ටික සර්කියුලර් විදිහට ගියාට process එක program එක අර initial පුංචිම code එකේ ඉඳන් අපි develop කරනවා ඒක diagrams අඳිනවා ඒක පුළුවන් system development life cycle diagrams ඇඳට analysis එකේ ඇඳට code කරන්න වෙන්නේ අර ගාඩවල තියලා පොඩ ගේ හදනවා වගේ යන්න ඕන ඒක පාට අපිට ගෙදර ගිහින් උඩින් බලන්න බෑ ගෙද්ද ඇතුලේ යන්න බෑ හදලම තමයි code එක යන්නේ okay, so that is for the extra knowledge. Small question. Next one. All data stored in the system must be presented in the context diagram. No, first one, that is correct. Hi, 25th one. Oh, yes. Correct Nisa, incorrect Nihani. They are asking the incorrect one. That is correct. Highest level context diagram is showing the highest level. I took the example Earth map. Google Earth එක අරගෙන පෘථිවිය බලපෑටි මතකයි. එතකොට context diagram එක කියන්නේ high level එක විදිහට ගන්න. Then low level mean elementary process. හරි. All data stores in the system must be represented in the context diagram. All the data stores are not visible. Honey, represented in the context diagram. Just look at the context diagram. This one. Are there any process? No, only the system boundary is visible. Honey. Then, this is wrong. වැරදි නිසා උත්තරේ වෙන්නේ 2. හරි. Data flows are used to link to other components in the DFD. Data flows are used to link other components in the DFD. So they didn't mention whether this is a level 0 DFD, 1 DFD, whatever. They didn't mention. So just DFD connecting with the other components with the help of data flows. That is correct. Correct නිසා උත්තරයක් නෙමෙයි. Elementary process are not decomposed further. Oh, decomposite කියන්නේ තවදුරටත් කඩලා වෙන් කරනවා. හරි. That is true. External entities in DFD act as source or recipient of the data store. That's true. Answer should be second one. Okay. Last one. That's a big problem. Our school plans to use an online system to provide extended learner support system to A-level and O-level students during the school holidays, weekends, and other times that the school is not open. It is decided to use suitable commercial off-the-shelf cost software system for this need. Your team has been requested to help with this project. Some of our project team members argue that since cost software are to be used, there is no need of requirement analysis. List three most significant reasons to explain why you must complete the requirement analysis even in this project. Note, your answer must be specific to the project and cost software use. Generic answers will not be accepted. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න විභාගෙට general answers තිබ්බා. ලකුණු දුන්නේ නැහැ. පොදුවේ කියන ඒවා. හරි? ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් what is this product? First imagine cost software. Okay, cost software means commercial off the shelf. That means they are going to purchase some kind of online learning system for that school. But they didn't still mention the number of periods, number of number of teachers, number of hours per subject, number of hours per student. ඒවා decide කරලා නැහැ. හරිද? කෙලින්ම හිතන්නකො අපේ ස්කෝර් එක ගෙනත් දානවා Microsoft Teams එක. ළමයිට පුළුවන් ද බැරිද කියලා බලන්නෙත් නැහැ. හරි. හරිද? First එක we have to discuss with the user requirements. A-level section එකට හදන එක ඔක්කොටම දුන්න කෑ මුළු ස්කෝරේටම 3 subjects. හරි. 2 hours per particular subject. Grade 1 child. පුළුවන් ද පැය දෙකක් එක දිගට ඉගෙන ගන්න online? බෑ. හරි. එතකොට මේගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ හැමෝටම පොදුවේ හදපු software product එක ස්කූල් එකට පාවිච්චි කරද්දී analysis requirement analysis නොකර පාවිච්චි කරොත් මොකද පාවිච්චි කරන නොකරමු කියලා කියනවා. හරි? එහෙම පාවිච්චි නොකරනවා නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොකද ඒ ගැන හිතන්නේ? හරි? List three more significant reasons to explain why you must complete the requirement analysis. උත්තරේ දීලා තියෙනවා. අපි requirement analysis එක කරලයි මේ දේ පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියනවා. ඇයි? A-level timetable is not suited to the grade 1 child. Different time schedule for the different child. There are only 3 subjects for A-levels. But grade 6, 7, 8, 13 subjects are there. Right? එකම A-level එකට හදපු time slot එක, එකම timetable එක පුංචියට දෙන්න බෑ. Practically බෑ. ඒ වගේම අනිත් පැත්ත ළමයිට මේක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. හරි ඒක නම් මාකස් කීමේ point එකට ගත්තේ නැහැ. මාකස් කීම එකේ ගත්තේ I'll show you that. Okay. There might be gap between cost software and the school existing timetable. Microsoft Teams කට්ටිය දෙන product එකයි අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ requirements අතර වෙනසක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. යාලා දෙන එකයි අපි එකයි match වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒව මොනවද? A-level students have 3 main subjects, but all students have 9 subjects. Okay, therefore need to adjust features in cost software product according to the requirement. Requirement වලට ගැලපෙන්න අපිට හදන්න වෙනවා software product. Hi. If the answer is not there, please write that. Okay, but come check that. They're asking 3 points. Now just look at this one. If some features are not available in the cost system team has to extend the relevant features to cost product by specifying completely requirement analysis. Example, if new common subject for all 4 sections is going to add, all timetable has to adjust according to it. Number of student limits has to be expanded. So if there are if the system is limited to the 100 students, and if the JIT sir is or teacher is going to do entire section together in online, then have to expand the number of students and have to purchase that product. That means to expand that, they might have to pay or has to do some changes. හරි requirement එක වෙනස් වුණාට වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේකත් ඕන ලියන්න. That is my answer. හරි මාක්ස් කීපෙට ගන්න. Oh, within all the functional requirements statement within the list. A. Facing teaching materials and learning contents upload to the system shall only be allowed to the teachers assigning to the particular learning session. So uploading things mean functional requirement. The system shall be able to be available for the user access at least 99% of the time. That is some kind of limitation, non-functional requirement. C. Access history for each student learning activities, participation or content used within a course must be maintained as report to accessed by subject teacher. That is functional requirement. Okay. Then the system should be easy to work with after 1 hour of training. Limitation එකක් 1 hour ඉලක්කමක් එනවා නම් limitation එකක්. එහෙමනම් ඒක non functional. Okay. Then at the end of each learning session, student must provided within an option to ask questions. That's a functional requirement. F. The system should report any user request within 2000 millisecond limitation, non-functional. The system should be able to serve minimum 200 concurrent users at the given time. That is non-functional. Okay. For each one, total marks 2 marks. Okay, asking the functional requirement A, C, E. So 2 marks for that. What is the most appropriate testing strategy for learning? Evaluate the cost system software for identifying the requirement. So black box testing, acceptance testing are the most suitable one. Reason, the test functionality without checking the internal code structure. The code is the cost product. Black box testing is used to get the user acceptance satisfactions. 1 mark. Honey, total how many of it? 6 marks. Reason එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. User accept testing test. කමන්න reason නැතත් ලකුණු දුන්නා. දීලා. No need the reason. હવે මේ අවුරුදු reason එක එළුවා. තිබ්බා 2021 වල reason එකත් එක්ක උත්තර ලියන්න තිබ්බා. හරි.